are 4 phases, and one of the phases is called lag phase. During this initial phase, bacteria are adapting to their new environment. They are metabolically active but not yet dividing rapidly. At ang bilang ng bakterya hindi nagbabago sa panahon ng lag phase. Gayunpaman, lumalaki ang mga cells at aktibo sa metabolismo na nagkikriticize ng protina para lumaki sa loob ng medium. Okay, the next one is logarithmic or exponential phase. In this phase, also known as the log phase, bacteria experience rapid and exponential growth. They reproduce at their maximum rate because conditions are favorable, including an abundance of nutrients and suitable environmental condition. Dito sa phase na to guys, mas mabilis ang pagdami ng bacteria dahil nagmumultiply siya sa dalawa. Kaya ganun na lamang ang kanilang pagdami. May iba't ibang mga reason kung bakit ganito na lamang kabilis ang pagdami ng mga bacteria. Una, it's because of the temperature, etc. Okay, next is stationary phase. As resources like nutrients become limited and waste products accumulate, bacterial growth is slowed down. The number of new cells produced equal the number of cells dying, resulting in plateau in population size. Bacteria may also enter a dormant or spore-forming state to survive harsh condition. Dito sa stationary phase, stable lang siya. Kapag may bacteria na namatay, mayroong bacteria din na nabubuhay. So hindi siya mas tumataas pa, o katulad ng log phase, hindi siya mas tumataas ang kanyang bilang, kundi nagiging stable lang siya. Kung ilan yung namatay na bacteria, ganun din ang mapuproduce na egg or mabubuhay na bacteria. Okay, the last phase is dead or decline phase. In the dead phase, the number of dying bacteria exceed the number of new bacteria being produced. This phase occurs when the resources are depleted, the waste product accumulate to toxic level, leading to the decline and eventual death of the bacterial population. The dead phase is the point where the living cells stop metabolic function and being the process of death. Dito guys, sa dead or decline phase, dito na sila unti-unting namamatay. Dahil una, wala silang nakukuhang nutrients sa isang product or pagkain. Ganun.